Dubai and Abu Dhabi are no longer just oil stories. While headlines scream about the USA and UAE, the boom of global property expos and India's missed trick. Hyderabad hits the brakes, but is it really bad news? Hyderabad's housing crunch, a marriage problem. KPHB auction shocks everyone. Hi everyone, starting this week we are rolling out a fresh new series, bringing you the most fascinating real estate trends and insights from India and across the globe. My mission? To help you think sharper and invest smarter. Every week, forget the clutter. You will get 10 power-packed updates that truly matter. And today, we are covering everything from record-breaking global moves to Hyderabad sizzling land auctions. If you like this format, please like, share and subscribe to Real Talks Hyderabad. Your support drives us to bring better insights week after week. I'm Murali Krishna. Welcome to Real Talks. It's all about real estate. Let's kick off with one of the world's hottest investment hubs, the UAE. Dubai and Abu Dhabi are no longer just oil stories. They are global magnets for ultra-rich investors. Why? World-class infrastructure. Not just towers, but entire smart cities and stunning waterfronts. Zero income tax, a dream for HNIs. Golden visas, giving wealthy investors long-term residency. Political stability, a rare luxury in today's world. And the big twist? You can now close the property deals using cryptocurrency. Imagine buying a penthouse in Dubai with Bitcoin. It's happening. And it's attracting billionaires from all corners. So what about Hyderabad? We are already halfway there. World-class roads, data centers, global campuses, futuristic corridors like Neopolis and Future City. But what's next? What if crypto-backed real estate becomes real here? What if Hyderabad becomes India's first city to allow it? Can we position Hyderabad as India's Dubai, a magnet for global wealth? The groundwork exists. It just needs that next financial leap. If the UAE could transform in a decade, why not us? Is Hyderabad India's next real estate magnet in making? Drop your thoughts in the comments. While headlines scream about the USA and UAE, smart money is quietly moving into Europe. A fresh report by NRIs shows more global investors are looking at European real estate in 2024 and 25. Why? Prime property prices adjusted post-COVID, offering perfect entry points, transparent laws and strong regulatory frameworks, a weaker euro, great currency advantage for US and Asian buyers, unmet demand for premium housing, student accommodation, green buildings, logistic hubs. So what's the big takeaway for us? If Europe can pull capital by offering clarity and consistency, Indian metros must up their game. Clean paperwork, investor-friendly REITs, high-grade developments. Hyderabad is already getting there. Stronger norms, evolving REITs, global interest. Remember, in a risky world, real estate clarity is currency. The boom of global property expos and India's missed trick. Real estate isn't local anymore. Investors are thinking global. But investing abroad isn't easy. Tax codes, currency risks, legal frameworks, that's where global property expos step in. They connect international buyers with vetted developers and legal experts. These expos don't just showcase properties. They guide investors through residency, rental yields, tax norms, currency exposure. Now, what does this mean for India? We are pros at selling India abroad. Developers fly to Dubai and the US to woo NRIs. But here is the bigger question. Why can't we flip the game? Why not build a Hyderabad International Property Expo that pitches our city to non-Indian investors, global funds, family offices, sovereign wealth? We show them why Hyderabad is stable, affordable, and future ready. Think beyond selling flats. Think selling trust and transparency to the world. Outbound expos? Old story. Inbound global buyers? That's the real win. India's workspaces go global. Hyderabad at the forefront. Despite global uncertainty, companies are not pulling back. They are transforming their real estate strategy. Over 100 million square feet new workspace demand globally. India alone leased 72 million square feet in 2024, up by 21%. Q1 2025, already 28 million square feet leased, a stunning 74% YOY jump. Why? Flexible leases and modular designs. Decentralized hubs instead of giant HQs. Smarter, greener, employee-friendly workspaces. This shift makes real estate a strategy, not a cost. With Hyderabad's tech talent, modern infra, and thriving SEZs, the city is ready for the CRE revolution. Financial district, Gachibowli, and new commercial clusters are leading the way. This isn't just office leasing. This is India positioning itself as the world's workspace. Gurgaon, NRIs' new luxury playground. Picture this: NRIs in Dubai, London, New York, calling their brokers in India. Where's the money flowing? Gurgaon. In the last year alone, NRIs poured crores into Gurgaon's ultra luxury homes. 10 crore plus villas, penthouses, gated enclaves. Why? Lifestyle matters more than ROI. Gurgaon's luxury projects now match global standard. Smart homes, private lifts, wellness spaces. Emotional connect post-pandemic, a piece of India to retire or holiday in key hotspots. Sectors 58, 67, Golf Course Road, Dwarka Expressway, India's Beverly Hills in the making. Gujarat commercial realty roads back. Gujarat just recorded 245 new commercial projects in 2024-25, its strongest growth since 2019-20. Ahmedabad alone registered 72 projects worth 3,394 crores. Green buildings now account for 40 to 50% of the launches, thanks to FSI incentives and rising eco-conscious demand. What does this mean? Corporate India is expanding beyond metro hubs. Tier 2 and 3 cities are booming. If Gujarat can fuel growth with green certified specs, so can Hyderabad. Think strategic expansion. Think smarter. Greener businesses. Clusters. Affordable housing supply crashes 54%. Q1 2025 data is striking. In India's 15 largest Tier 2 cities, affordable housing launches under 50 lakh fell by 54%. Overall new supply dropped 35%. Units under 50 lakh plunged from 15,420 to 7,124. Mid-segment homes 50 to 1 crore now dominate 48% of new supply. Why is this important? Developers are ditching low-margin affordable projects, chasing premium inventory. Middle-income buyers are being left behind. That's why models like rent-to-own, co-living, micro-townships, and mid-segment housing need to take center stage. Affordable housing is the next big thing in India. Watch out our detailed analysis in an upcoming video. Hyderabad's housing crunch, a marriage problem. Hyderabad was once the dream city for young techies. Affordable flats, vibrant life, not anymore. Even professionals earning 20 to 30 lakhs can't buy within city limits. A basic apartment within 40 minutes of high-tech city costs 1.2 to 1.5 crores. And here is the cultural twist. In many families, owning a house is still seen as filter for marriage. No flat? Marriage delayed. Result? Young buyers are now rushing to plots on the outskirts. Buy land now, build later. Secure their future. The affordable crunch is shaping social trends, not just economic ones. Hyderabad hits the brakes. But is it really bad news? Let's break the panic. Residential sales in Hyderabad dropped 38 to 43% in 3 quarters. Over 30,000 luxury units priced over 2 crore remain unsold. 28 million square feet of office space lies vacant, the highest among metro. Why? Oversupply, skyrocketing prices, speculative buying. But here is the twist. Private equity funds are now eyeing distressed assets. This correction could separate noise from value. Is Hyderabad crashing? No, not at all. It's repositioning. This reset may just be the best entry window for bold investors. KPHB auction shocks everyone. 2.98 lakhs per square inch. Just when people thought the market was cold, KPHB made headlines. 84 bidders, 18 plots. Phase 7, plot 22 alone triggered a bidding war. 2.1 lakh, 2.4 lakh, 2.7 lakh, boom, 2.98 lakh per square inch. Highest ever in this area. 142.78 crores collected. 35 crores paid in 2 days. The signal? Premium pockets still command gold. Scarcity plus right location is equal to record prices. While some parts of Hyderabad struggle, micro markets like KPHB, Kokapet, Tellapur, Shankarpalli prove that demand is alive and kicking. In real estate, confidence isn't told, it's sold. That wraps this week's sharp take on what's shaping the real estate world. If you found this valuable, hit like, share, and subscribe to Real Talks Hyderabad, your trusted source for all things in real estate. Got questions? Our advisory team is just a call away. This is Murli Krishna signing off. See you next week.